Hello friends, so today again I'm going to talk more about the advanced search in Google. Again, last time I talked about how you can exclude and include some filter words or filter results from the Google search. Now let's suppose you have a scenario where you want the result only from a particular site to be displayed in your search criteria. So what you have to do is that you have to write site and then you can say cnn.com. So what will happen? Only the result from CNN.com will be visible in your website, in your search result. Let's suppose instead of CNN, you are interested in ABC News, you can say ABC News. It will tell you only the result from abc.com. So the trick is that you have to use site colon abc.com. Similar criteria can be applied for shopping or for other things. So this is a way you can use the search result in a much more effective way, and do let me know in case if you have any follow-up question. Thank you for watching.